The topic of today's video is how to get instant buying power on Webull. So what is instant buying power? It's a feature that gives you provisional funds as soon as you deposit via ACH, letting you trade before the deposit fully clears. No 3 to 5 day wait. Think of it as a short-term credit line from Webull. Now, to qualify for instant buying power, you need a margin account, not a cash account. You must deposit via ACH from a linked bank account, and most users get up to $1,000 instant credit in new accounts. So here's sort of what happens. You initiate an ACH deposit, say $500 or $600. Within 10 to 30 minutes, Webull shows $500 instant buying power. You can use it to buy stocks or ETFs right away. Your cash balance will go negative until the deposit settles, then it resets. Now, you can use instant buying power on stocks and ETFs, but not crypto or options. If you try to trade options with unsettled funds, it won't go through or you'll hit a GFV. Now, the reason why instant buying power actually matters is for reacting fast to market moves without waiting for settlement. Day traders who need flexibility from the start of account funding will also find this useful, and you avoid missed opportunities during those delays. And that's how you get instant buying power, guys. If this helped you, do hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop your questions below. I'll see you in the next video.